Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought I'll do a little bit of a dirty pour on this clock base. So this is a clock base from IKEA. It's just a $1.99 clock, so really cheap. The best part of the clock is that the mechanism doesn't make any sound at all. So I thought it would be fun to try a little bit of a pour on it. I made my paints a little bit thinner than I normally would, but I'm hoping that it goes through the holes that way and drains out, so my numbers will still show. I'm using Amsterdam paint with water, and I just added a little bit of glue just to bind it together a little bit better. So I'm just gonna fill my cup. So this is Amsterdam Permanent Violet. Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. Amsterdam Primary Blue. This is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red. This is Amsterdam Pearl White. And I think I already have enough silver in it. This is my IKEA silver. Let's see. So this is my cup. And I'm going to try and split it. Nice. I think I'm gonna have to scrape this one. I like it, but I don't think it's gonna stick to the plastic. I've got more than enough paint to try again, so let's clean it up and try again. So try number 2. I cleaned the clock, I sanded the inside, and I rubbed it down with alcohol. And instead of the silver, I'm just gonna use a little bit of my gold, IKEA. Just let's try this again. Okay, I might have to do another cup. Let's see if we have enough paint. I don't like this part. So you might want to try and get some of the paint out to the sides. See if I can stretch this. Light. There we go. Hope you can see. I'm gonna try and poke the holes through. And the sun's not playing. And let's see how it dries. Bye guys.